So here we have our third example, or our third video with synthetic division. It's actually example 4. So what we're looking at is we are taking x to the fourth minus 1. Now notice you have x to the fourth, but you don't have any of the other x's. You don't have the x cubed, the x squared, or the x to the first power. So we are going to bring in zeros for all of those coefficients when we write out the coefficients of our numerator right there. First, though, let's not skip this step. We are dividing by an x minus 1. That's a negative 1, so we are going to put a positive 1 in our box. Then we write out all the coefficients for this polynomial in the numerator. In front of the x to the fourth is a 1. And then you need your x to the third, which has a 0. X squared has a 0. X to the first power has a 0. And then a negative 1. So we kind of think of these as placeholders. We do need a spot for every power of x. Then we draw our line and we can go ahead and add and multiply. So we add down first, that 1 comes there. Then we multiply 1 times 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And then we add down, 0 plus 1 is 1. Multiply to the 1 in the box again and we get 1. Add down, 0 plus 1 is 1. Multiply to the 1 in the box again, and you get 1. Add down, 0 plus 1 is 1. Multiply with the box again, and you get 1 times 1 is 1. You add down, negative 1 plus 1 is 0. All right, so 0 is our remainder. So that's kind of nice. What that means is that you won't have that last part of your answer, plus a number over this x minus 1. With no remainder, our answer is just going to be all of these coefficients with our x's. So this is our x to the 0 power, our constant. This is our x to the first, x squared, and x cubed. So our final answer is 1x cubed plus, because it's positive 1x squared, plus a positive x, and then plus 1 on the end. And here we have our answer. That remainder is 0, so we don't need to write 0 divided by anything, because that would just be 0 anyway.